Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the ByBit application on your Android smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, you can simply tap on the search box and then type in ByBit and start the search. Now from the search results, once you see the ByBit application, tap on it, and when you see the install button, you can tap on install to begin the installation. Just wait for a while until the download and installation is complete, and when you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it when the download and installation is completed. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging in to your existing account to start using the ByBit application immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the ByBit application on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.